Hello, Assalamu alaikum, Pakistan. Welcome to Uncle's Talk Show. Uncle, this video is going to be a part two because the last video was the human spirit and the Pakistani youth, the topic was. So you wanted to comment on and carry on this video. So please, end this video. This is going to be a part two. Yes, sir.
Okay, Faruqi. Nice to see you like always. Thank you, Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad. Assalamu alaikum, Pakistan. And the youngsters of this country. Youngsters means the youth. Alright? I also mean kids. Because kids are not learning anything here. And they are committing the worst mistake of their life because they are not becoming responsible, committed to the cause. You know why? Because there is no teaching, not even in the institutions, nor at home. If the parents are eating gutka, mawa, chalia, cigarettes, and any other nasha, and you have such a bad structure of the day, how you wake up, how you talk, how your mood is, and that is the father. Same is the problem with the mother. She has lots of psychological problems, does not have the independence, cannot decide what she wants, cannot coordinate, cannot harmonize her relationship with the guy who she is married to, or with the parents who she is bound to before she get independent after her marriage. It's a bloody mess the way we are promoting our culture. It is chun chun ka murabba in Urdu. Murakkab. You are not pure anymore. You pick things from here and there and then try to follow it in such a bad copy. You can call it in Urdu zaban bhaddi copy. क्योंकि आपको कॉपी करने का भी आपका कोई लेवल नहीं है, क्योंकि आपको कुछ सिखाया नहीं जाए। इस मुल्क में सिखाने की और सीखने की प्रोसेस बिल्कुल डेड एंड स्ट्रीट बन चुकी है। आगे आप जहाँ तक जाएंगे, जहाँ तक चल लिए, जहाँ तक आपने मेहनत कर ली, लेकिन डेड एंड स्ट्रीट पर आ गए। कोई आपको आगे बढ़ाने वाला नहीं है, कोई आपको मोटिवेट करने वाला नहीं है, कोई आपकी हिम्मत बढ़ाने वाला नहीं है। And the worst culture around the world I have found in Pakistan after traveling few countries and living in Costa Rica for a long amount of time. They don't appreciate your effort. They don't want to motivate you to go ahead, to do something remarkable, to do something extraordinary. Your own people, your own blood, your own mahalla, your own neighborhood. What they do? They discourage you with the fear he would become extraordinary, he would be successful. So where would we stand? Next to him we will become a failure. So let's stop him from the thoughts, from the noble thoughts of succeeding in life. Is that the philosophy? ये कीना, बुग़्ज़ और इंसान की नफरत से भरा हुआ अमल है. Do you want to be a human like that? Whose heart is full of hatred, whose heart has no compassion for somebody else, whose heart has no appreciation for somebody's effort? You are unable to congratulate people. What a shame. You want to be this kind of human being and then represent Pakistan in this manner. And how about all these bad habits? Throwing garbage? You're walking in a mall, you know it's a mall. It's an established center for, commercial center for shops and for purchases and for the buys you do. For your necessary things you want to buy, that's why you go to the malls, because all the things are together in a mall and you can end up buying whatever you need. And you are walking on the floor with your friends and you start spitting on the floor of a mall. Look at your cultural level. I don't care if he's from Quetta or Peshawar or Karachi or Sindh or Baltistan, wheresoever he is such an ill-mannered human being. He should be punished for that. He should be taken to a psychological institution and given a therapy for 90 days, 180 days, or maybe a year. The conduct of a civilian in civics, how you move around in a neighborhood, how you move around in a town, how you move around in a city. You have no culture to represent or to learn from. That's what's happening to your kids. Their language is foul. They speak very foul language in Urdu as well as few words of English, but language is very foul. And if they have the local languages, it's almost the same. The language from the very young age they are learning in different neighborhoods of the country, very foul language. It should be stopped through the institution, through the parents, and through the respected people in a society which is called mohalla or neighborhood. You understand? So this is the continuation, because the theme I have tried to keep it intact, what I have spoken on the first part of this video, and this is the second. I am trying to elaborate. You should learn how Japan, how Singapore, how Korea, how North America, how Germany, and many, many other countries, even in Middle East, Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, they are very, very clean countries. Roads are clean, neighborhoods are clean, gutters are clean, and there is a nice smell in the city, a nice wind, a nice air. Why? Because they are trying to follow up the laws of the civics. What a civil city should have as a facility for the people, and what kind of conduct people should have to bear that or to improve that ambiance. It's a French word. Ambiance means atmosphere. Understand? Atmosphere. Mahol, Urdu mein. So now my few more words I would like to say, not to elaborate it so much and repeatedly telling you that you are this and you are that. I'm not going to gain that much from that. But promise with your Uncle Faruqi, who is the life of this channel, and my coordinator, Mr. Tar Faruqi, who has kept the channel alive. It's a team. We'll try to keep going. Subscribe. For God's sake, subscribe. Don't you want to learn good things? Don't you want to listen the truth? Like it. Send your comments. Even they are negatives. Even you don't like my speech. Even you don't like my ideas. But show your opinion. Show your decision. Why do you want to be somebody who is not interested in any affair, even if it is very important in your life? Don't do that. My message in this video, especially to the young crowd and to the parents who are still leading their kids, make them a dignified citizen, not only of your country, of the world. And there are few things you should do as parents. Develop their faith, tell them to follow the religion, Tell them God is great, Allah is great. They should do the prayers. They should read the holy book. They should stay clean. They should not lie. They should not deceive. They should be committed. बिल्कुल आपने वादा खिलाफ नहीं होना है. अपॉइंटमेंट पर वक्त पर पहुंचना है. आप ये चीजें क्यों नहीं कर पा रहे? क्योंकि आप एक खराब तरीन माहौल की पैदावार है. You are the byproduct of a defective factory. All the product in that factory is defective because it was not planned that the product should be excellent or first class or compatible. We are not compatible to the world because just imagine we don't have public bathrooms. People are worried where they are going to do their necessities. The city smells like shit. Everything is abandoned. Dirtiness is all over. Dust and viruses are all over the city. Our kids are getting sick, and the students, supposedly to the English medium schools or some private school, we are converting our kids, young kids, very noble souls, very weak, just beginning their life, 7 years, 8 years, 10 years, 12 years. And that heavy backpack with loaded books on his back because the director or the teacher or the programmer of the school who organized the day does not know which teacher is coming and what time, which class is going to be taken. Is that the organization you want to lead these kids? And this is the way you want to build Pakistan? Make your kids to clean the school. Mop it. Make it clean. Clean the bathrooms. Make them useful. Make them some citizen who love the cleanliness. at-taharatul nisful ईमान. सफाई आपका आधा ईमान है, आधा फेथ है. ये हमारे नबी ने कहा. ओ भाई, आप इन चीजों को क्यों नहीं फॉलो कर? आपने देखी अपने नबी की जिंदगी, क्या अखलाक हसना, क्या सफाई, क्या यकीन, क्या दीन की पैरवी, क्या अल्लाह से प्यार, क्या वक्त की पाबंदी, क्या वादे की पाबंदी, झूठ नहीं बोलना, धोखा नहीं देना. आप सिर्फ ये काम कर रहे हैं जो तौहीन रिसालत की बदतरीन मिसाल है. टोपी 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 टोपी, धोखा 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 धोखा. आप इस लेवल के कबीस इंसान बन के पाकिस्तान रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहते हैं. यंगस्टर्स, आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू. डोंट डू दैट. आई वार्न यू. You will be vanished, you will be finished, and you will be eliminated like a parasite if you continue this kind of life. And don't forget to take the shower, wash your teeth, dress clean, look good, look at yourself in the mirror, and promise yourself what you want to do in life and what is wrong in life. Talk to yourself in the mirror and promise that all day should be complied and completed with that version what you have left in the mirror, promising to yourself the truth and only truth. Thank you, Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad.